everyone. So as promised, I'm back with the book review of this amazing book, The 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. Honestly, I think I'm quite a bit late reading this book, but better late than never. So if you see the cover, there is a review from the Times which says a gorgeous jeweled luxurious book, and I completely agree with them. I think these three are the best three adjectives to describe this book as. I don't want to give too much away in the review of this book, because I honestly think everyone should read this book at least once in their life and experience this beautiful story firsthand. So the story basically revolves around a woman named Ella who is in her 40s, and she was basically living a very mundane life and was not in a happy marriage. She used to work in a publishing house, and one day she receives the manuscript of a book named The Sweet Blasphemy. So this book, The Sweet Blasphemy, travels back to the 13th century and tells the story of Rumi and how the great poet Rumi met his spiritual companion Shams of Tabriz, and how his companion helped him to get into the path of spirituality, and how that spiritual knowledge helped Rumi to become the great poet that we know Rumi as. This book helped me a lot to understand Islamic spirituality and Sufism, which was an area I was completely unaware of. And not only that, this story also will teach you about patience, about practicing detachment, and most importantly about love. Not just romantic love, but the love, trust and devotion that we should have towards God and towards the superpower, whatever you believe in. So, and as the book suggests, this book actually lists down the 40 rules of love, and believe me when I tell you, like, when you will read the 40 rules one by one in this book, you will need a moment to take it in and to understand it, and those rules will stay with you forever, I promise you. So I strongly suggest everyone to grab this book, and it doesn't matter if you are a reader or not. I think everyone should read this book once, and I promise you will love it so much. Like, I give you that guarantee. So yeah, and if you have already read this book, let me know your opinions on it and how much you loved it, and what are the things that kept you most interested in this book. And those who haven't read, please grab this book. Okay, bye bye.